So what exactly are you going to learn in this course? Now, in the beginning of this course, we first of all are going to talk about the topic. So what exactly would you like to raise money for? The first thing that we should always do is be clear about what we want to raise money for, because if we don't really know what we want to raise money for, then what exactly is the point of raising money? Afterwards then, what we want to do is we want to have a look at the technical background. So how can you create a Facebook fundraiser? In the third part of this course, we're then going to talk about the financial structure. So how can you get people to actually pay you via the platform? Now, can they use, for instance, a debit card? Can they use a credit card? How are you going to receive the money? And how can we make it possible for them to not leave Facebook, but to pay you on Facebook? Because Facebook doesn't have its own payment system. Then afterwards, we're going to talk about branding, so how you can create a branding photo for your fundraising campaign. Then in the fifth part of this course, we're going to talk about Facebook ads, and I will give you a very detailed plan, a very detailed course actually on, for instance, engagement ads, on traffic ads. We're going to have a look at messenger ads. I will show you how to create a viral video from literally any video. So I will show you how to get video views from 0 up to 1 million in only 3 months with one video and not spending more than $200 in ads on that video. So basically how you can get 1 million people to watch your video for only $200. Just think about, for instance, on Instagram, when people have 1 million follower, advertisers pay up to 10 grand in order to have 1 million people see their post. We're going to do that for $200. Then afterwards, we're going to talk about MailChimp. So I'm going to give you a complete tutorial on MailChimp and how you can basically build an email list from scratch. And then in the end, what we're going to do is we're going to talk about landing pages, so how you can create custom landing pages which are highly converting, so get people to leave, for instance, their email address and their name. So if you have any questions, of course, throughout the course, you can message me at any given time. I'm always willing and I'm always happy to answer all of your questions. So please don't hesitate. I will be here for you at any given time to answer all of your questions. So alright, that was it now here for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and now let's get started with the course.